calm and carry on buying AI tech stocks as they deviate from their highs. Where the greater the deviation, then the greater the buying opportunity presented. Keep calm and carry on buying. Quantum AI tech stocks. So, did you buy the October 22 bloodbath? Especially in tech stocks, fangs, with the likes of Meta plunging below $100? Well, I and my patrons did. Go read my articles and the comments posted under them. We got well blooded by catching all those falling knives. Did you make the mistake of listening to the likes of Clown Kramer on the Cartoon Network, who stated Meta, amongst others, was finished? Meta finished at $100 a share, with the mother of all buying opportunities. This clown stated it was finished. Says it all about Clown Kramer and the Cartoon Network.
They're finished. They're finished as places.
They're finished as
places to invest.
We keep talking about this falling knife as if the knife continues to fall. Though there are people who
I'm just saying. Look, I'm looking at the money coming out. Where's the money coming from to buy to buy industrials? It certainly isn't coming from new people saying, "Wow, it's time to put money in the stock market," because they get such a great rate on the 2-year. I think it's money coming rotating out of companies that have dominated this market for the last decade and into companies like Caterpillar who actually know what the hell they're doing.
Are you thinking that the tech companies that I think that you're disappointed in are going to get religion, if you will, and get disciplined? And what does discipline look like?
You know what they are? I would call them atheists. They believe in nothing.
That's a nihilist.
Meta? I don't know. I think they have to change the name again. They really do. I mean, you can't be saying Meta. I don't know. How about loser? How about stupuda? I don't know. Anything doesn't even matter. I don't know if they can make a comeback. The facts have changed, and I have to change with it. I believed. I thought I'd be safe. I was wrong. Bottom line, forget being leaders. Big stocks are now followers in a post-COVID era, where we're learning that their earnings were far more inflated by the pandemic than we knew. We're just now discovering that tech emperors have no clothes, if they're even emperors at all.
After descending into the depths of hell, the Meta stock, Facebook renamed, is coming alive as that which the herd pundits dismissed as a gimmick is starting to gain traction. The Metaverse. They will only get it when they see Meta trade to new all-time highs. Gaming is where it is right now and what most focus on. That is a mere pinprick of what the Metaverse will herald. Realistic computer-generated worlds in real time. One aspect of the Metaverse that most completely miss is game playing. And I don't just mean playing games, but game playing, where one plays out scenarios in the Metaverse of what one should do in the real world. A multitude of times to fine-tune one's action in the real world, simulations. And what's more, the game playing is compressed in time. Learning to fly a plane will be infinitely quicker in the Metaverse than in the real world, as there's no downtime or limits on flight time. Yes, they're already expensive simulators, but all one needs is a good high-resolution headset, such as perhaps the Quest 3 this year, or maybe Quest 4 in 2 to 3 years' time. High resolution, 4K for each eye will be enough for realistic simulations. And then we'll be off to the races, and Meta as a head start on the rest. You know, Apple and Microsoft, they're all scrambling to catch up. Apple balks at even mentioning the Metaverse, what they call it, augmented reality verse. those who ride Meta today will be scrambling to buy as it trades through $300 a share, eventually propelling Meta to a new all-time high. And Meta is just one of a basket of Metaverse stocks that includes the likes of Roblox, where I'm 155% invested at the time of writing this article that this video is based on, that populate my portfolio, with many of the tech giants already core Metaverse stocks actively working on their own virtual worlds. In fact, I would consider Nvidia more of a Metaverse stock than even Meta is right now, given the role that GPUs play and the Omniverse, their own version of the Metaverse, which is actually what Meta should be focusing on. Simulations for industry, not this Horizon Words garbage. Meta need to get their heads. Look at Nvidia, what they're doing. Yes, they've hit the nail on the head with the headset, but in terms of simulations, they've still got room to go. None of which is apparent in so-called analysts on the likes of CNBC, Cartoon Network, Microsoft, Apple. All of the tech giants are gravitating towards the Metaverse. In fact, those stocks most exposed to the Metaverse are currently outperforming the market. The Metaverse is a mega trend that my portfolio by design gives strong exposure to virtual augmented realities as a significant derivative of the AI megatrend that suddenly everybody's waking up to. You know, they were silent and now everybody's going AI. Where gaming leads the way, given that games render virtual worlds in real time. That's the key. Rendering virtual worlds in real time, which is actually probably closer to reality than most imagine it to be. I may discover in the not too distant future that our reality is being rendered. That's right. Our reality right now, from relative moment to relative moment, is being rendered. A kind of, I'm branching off now, I'm getting carried away. It's like fuzzy. We're fuzzy at the quantum level. That's because we're being rendered. And I don't want to. I'll call it there. So, for immediate first access to all of my analysis and trend forecasts, then do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $5 per month. Immediate first access to ahead of the curve analysis, as my extensive analysis of the stock market illustrates, that you can trundle along to by following the link in the description. That continues on in the comment section of each posted article, all for just $5 per month, which is nothing. If you can't afford $5 a month, then what are you doing watching this video? $5 is nothing. If someone did what I am doing, then I would gladly pay $5 per month for it. Sign up for 1 month for a taste of the depth of analysis that cannot be beat by those who charge over $100 per month. I'm too cheap. Anyway, I'm keeping my analysis accessible to all those who are willing to learn, because where investing is concerned, the sooner one gets going, the better, as portfolios compound over time. $5 per month is nothing for what you get access to. So at least give it a try. Read the comments, see the depth of analysis. You won't be sorry, because I do my best by my patrons. Go that extra mile. Gaining access to over 35 years experience, right from before the 1987 crash straight through to this stock's bear market, that will ride the quantum AI megatrend into the future.